Hello everyone. So let's continue where we stopped earlier. So this would be part 3. Okay. So just a fast brush up. We did something like this, no? Activity A and activity B. And then we said activity C, activity D and E. Okay, just fast brush up and then we're going to start the real questions. Okay. Activity F. So first what we did with this, the arrows. Then we took the duration. What's the duration? Duration is the time. Let's say we took 2 minutes here. Just take a random number. Okay, 3, 4. Just a second. Okay, there's some. Okay, so then this is, let's say, give me a number 5, and then duration 1 and duration 2, all in minutes. So what we did in the last class, we took the paths, isn't it? Path 1 and then path 2. Okay, so let's say A, B, C, E, F. We fold something, and then A, B, D, E, F. We calculated and we found something. I think randomly we could tell this is the longest path, and then we said this is the float. This is the critical path. Okay, and in the critical path, which is the longest path, float is 0. Okay. So hope this is clear so far. So now in this part, okay, part 3, we're going to do the actual sums. Okay. We just take pause this and then we will do it again. Okay. Sorry, there was some problem with my pen. Changed my pen now. Things should be smooth. So this is 2 minutes, 3 minutes. I think this is clear, very clear. Okay. Now I will take the same concept and then we will do the main main questions. Yeah. Let me just clean everything. Okay, let's just take basic from here. So this is, let's say, activity A. Okay, you can call him, you shall call him activity A. Okay, then we said activity B. Okay, then we said activity. I'll just pause this video so it won't take lifelong just to complete this diagram. Okay, I think we can continue now. Okay, so we've just drawn the same thing, same logic. Okay, just put the arrows here. Okay, this is something very, very, very simple. Generally in the exam, so easy questions won't come. But first you get the basics, as what I say always. First learn to walk, then you learn to run. Okay, so this is the duration. Okay, duration. The second middle one is always the duration. Okay, let's say activity A has a duration of 2 minutes. Okay, and activity B has a duration of 1 minute. So activity C has a duration of 3 minutes. Activity D has a duration of 2 minutes. Just a very simple diagram. Okay, let's just change the pen. Okay, so now what you would do, you do the same story. What? First you find the path A, B, D. Second one A, C, D. A, B, D. What's the total duration? That is 2 plus 1 plus 2. I think it's 5. It's not think, it is sure 5. Similarly, this is what we did before. Okay, this D is just duration. Duration means what? how much time it will take to complete this activity, duration. Okay, now where were we? The next one, A, C, D, that is 2 plus 3 plus 2, 4 and 3, 7. So from here clearly you know that this is the longest path. Okay, this is the longest path, so we can call the longest path is called critical path. Okay, okay, and the rule of thumb, critical path always has float 0. Here float is 2. How float is 2? 7 minus 5. This is that 7, this is 5, 2. Now I'm going to prove how it's always 2. Okay, how you're going to calculate every question and you're going to get questions, all questions correct. Right. Let's just put numbers here. Okay, let's suppose, okay, this is called early start. Okay, and then this is called early finish. Early start, early finish. Okay, every activity has this. Okay, early start, early finish, early start, early finish. Okay, let's suppose the early start for this activity is 1. Okay, this activity will start on day 1. Okay, now we have a formula, and you just follow this formula, things would be really easy. Okay, so the formula is like this: early finish, that is this one, is equal to early start plus duration minus 1. Okay, so we use this formula and then we will just write the numbers. Okay, let's put the number here like this. So early finish of activity A, so it's 1 plus 2 minus 1, believe it is 2. Okay, so next will always be plus 1. Remember, this is a rule here. Okay, when you jump next day, it will start in the next day. Let me just give you a brush up. Right? What does it mean? Early A finished on, let's say, day 2. Next activity will start on after A finished. Finish, start. Okay, next day. Okay, okay. So I always told, remember, it's always finish start relationship. Okay, this 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, again 3 plus 1, that is this formula we are using. 3 plus 1 minus 1, that is 3. Okay, 3 plus 3 minus 1, believe it is 5. Okay, now you know this activity, that is activity D, will only start after this activity finishes. Okay, so what we do is we add 1 here. 5 plus 1, 6. Okay, 6 plus 2 minus 1, how much is it? 6 plus 2, 8, 7. Okay, any problem? No problem. Fine. This is part 1. Okay, this is called forward pass. Okay, going forward pass. Okay, let me just write some things for you. Okay, this guy is called late finish and late start. Okay, late finish, late start, late finish, late start, late finish, late start. Okay, so now late start will be unknown. Okay, so late start is equal to early finish minus duration plus 1. Okay, just look at this. These these signs gets inverted. Okay, so there is one rule here. Okay, always copy these numbers down only for the last activity. Okay, that's the critical path. Just put this 7 here, 6 here. Okay, so whenever you're going backwards, okay, this is called backward pass, okay, backward pass, okay, whenever you're going backwards, always subtract 1, okay. So 6 minus 1 is 5. Okay, now use the same formula. 5 minus 3 plus 1. 5 minus 3, 2, plus 1, 3. Okay, I'm using this formula. 5, that is the late finish. Sorry, yeah, it's late finish, not late finish. Okay, late start is equal to late finish minus duration plus 1. Okay, so similarly, 5 minus 1, that is how much? 4, plus 1, 5. Okay, I'm going to just show you magic couple of minutes now. Okay, now you have 5 and you have 3. See, when we went forward, you took the largest number, that was 6. See, for example, 3 and 5, you took the largest number, added 1, it became 6. So when you're going backwards, you're going to take the smallest number. So you're going to take 3. 3 minus 1, that is 2, and then use the same formula. Late finish minus duration plus 1, that is 2 minus 2, 0, 1. Right. Now, how do you check if your answers are correct or wrong? Okay. Anybody have problem with this? Telling critical path float is 0? I'm going to prove it, okay, how it is 0 and how it is 2 for ABCD. Okay. So what was the step 1, what I told you? Show me the critical path. So John, this is the critical path. John, this is the critical path. Okay. And in the critical path, John, you told float is 0. Okay. So float is 0. Now we prove it how it is. See, if you subtract these two numbers, isn't it 0? Isn't it 0? 3 minus 3, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So that means this is the critical path and our formula is 100% correct. Okay? Okay. Now let's take the other case where which is not critical path, ABD. That is, this is A, B, D. Okay. So there is only one activity which is not in the critical path. So just subtract these two. How much is it? 5 minus 3, John, it is 2. 5 minus 3, 2. Isn't it what we wrote here? 2. I hope this is clear now. Okay. What you learn from this video is this formula. Okay. Remember this formula, very, very, very important. Okay. Just change this color here for this letter. So this is late finish. Okay, not early finish. Late finish. So I think that's it. Okay. Hope everybody enjoyed this video, this class. If you have any doubts, please do let me know. Okay. Okay. And I think we can just tell bye.